Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Karen and I am a full-time eBay seller supporting myself at the age of 59. So about 6 years ago, I jumped into selling online. I sell mainly on eBay, but also sell on Facebook Marketplace and on OfferUp, and I earn quite a bit of money. My sales are over 100,000 a year, so yay. But this video is going to cover how I started my YouTube channel just about 3 months ago now, and I have 10,000 subscribers, and how I got monetized in that very first month of creating YouTube videos. Yep, 1 month it took me. So my first video launched on May 22nd, and I got notification that my monetization had been turned on June 22nd. So 1 month to the day. Super happy, but let's go back and I will bring you through the short timeline of how this happened. So like I said, I'm a full-time eBay seller and have been selling a little bit over 6 years now. And about 2 years ago, I started an Instagram account to share what I was doing with others, to show what I was selling, what kind of profit I was making, and just the crazy things that I was picking up for resale. Through that process, I made many online friends. So, hey Instagrammers, a bunch of great people in that community over there. I have about 20,000 followers on Instagram and am following back quite a few of them, and just enjoying the journey of being on a social platform, sharing a passion. So through that experience, I did do an interview on my daughter's YouTube channel. If you'd like to check out her channel, it is Mellissa with 2 L's, and she is Fresh Bloomin' Clothing on eBay. She also sells. And I did an interview with her, which that video was created, I believe, in April of this year. That video was titled something like How I Taught My Mother to Be a $100,000 a Year Reseller, something like that. You could find it, I'll link it below. And we made that video together in April, and that video gained a lot of traction on YouTube. I think that video might have about 50,000 views now. It was through that interview that I realized becoming a YouTube creator might be a viable way for me not to only earn some extra income, but to share this great passion of mine, reselling. So I jumped into making a YouTube video, that first video, and quickly deleted it because I was horrified how bad it was. But then, like I said, I put my big girl pants on and made a second and a third and a fourth video. And lo and behold, 30 days later to the day, I was monetized. So having said all of that, I just wanted to jump on here and share my 3 main tips for getting monetized and creating a successful YouTube channel. So tip number 1 is share your passion. I am super passionate, even after 6 years of doing this for a living, this reselling online. Very passionate about what I find, finding crazy things, flipping things. I want all the things. It's so much fun. What a great way to earn a living, and I have a real passion for it. So know your passion and share your passion. Number 2, I would say, is get on another social media platform. So being on a social media platform, I think, is really helpful in building a following, building, just an arena for people that are like-minded, that are interested in what you're doing. So I built mine on Instagram. Like I said, I have 20,000 followers, great community over there. You can check out my Instagram account, Lavender Clothesline, and see the over 2,000 posts I have made over there. Now, I'm not paid on Instagram at all. It is just truly a passion for sharing what type of things I like to find and what I like to sell. And number 3 is, when you're creating videos, just stay consistent. Anything we do in life, whether it's reselling, whether it's posting on another platform, or here on YouTube making videos, just make as many videos as you can. Now, I'm not saying 10 videos a day because naturally, that would be overkill, but I strive for 2 to 3 videos a week. I don't always hit that mark, but I'm very excited about making videos. This morning I made 2. So those are my 3 tips. So I did get monetized. My first YouTube video was created on May 22nd, 2019, and I was monetized on June 22nd. And I would love to hear your story of what you're passionate about, what type of videos you're making, and how you plan to further your journey this way. So please hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.